A federal judge has blocked Ohio's so-called fetal heartbeat law. The law would ban abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, which can be as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy. Ohio is one of 12 states which have considered such legislation this year. The law would punish doctors or others who perform abortions after a heartbeat is detected. Those convicted of violating it could face up to a year in prison and a $2,500 fine. It includes exceptions for when a mother's health or life are put at risk, but not in cases of rape or incest. Republican Governor Mike DeWine signed the bill into law in April. His predecessor, former Republican Governor John Kasich, has vetoed the bill twice. The law was scheduled to go into effect next week.